Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to know about all permissions in your Android phone. So at first just swipe from top to bottom and then tap on this gear icon to open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down, then go to security and privacy. After that scroll all the way down and at the bottom you can find more privacy settings. Then just tap here. After that scroll down a bit and here you can see permission manager. Then just tap here. And here it is. Now from here you can check your all the permission details. Suppose if you want to check your microphone permission details, just tap on microphone. That's it. From here you can check your microphone permission details. You can check how many apps have microphone permission in your phone. That's it. Now just go back. Suppose if I select location, from here you can check your location permission details. Suppose if you want to disable your location access, just select any app from here. Then you have to just select don't allow and then go back and it's done. And that is how you can know about all permissions in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.